Zakia Jafri, widow of former Congress MP Ehsan Jafri, killed during Gulbarg Society massacre in 2002, is one of the many victims who wanted trial in the case to be shifted out of Gujarat. She believes even 7 years after the riots, atmosphere in Gujarat is not conducive for free and fair trial. But she is happy that after all this time, the Supreme Court has ordered the case to begin and rioters may finally be brought to justice.
ये 7 साल से 8 साल से ये जो केस चल रहा था, अभी तक उसकी कोई बराबर से सुनवाई होती थी, कभी जाती थी, कभी नहीं जाती थी। ये इस तरह हमेशा रोज की इसकी सुनवाई होगी तो उसके लिए मुझे बहुत खुशी है।
Other riot victims too are hopeful that under close monitoring by the SIT, the trial will now be speeded up.
हम व्यक्तिगत किसी को सजा दिलाना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन हमारी नजर के समक्ष जिन लोगों ने अपराध किए हैं, उन अपराधियों को सजा मिलनी चाहिए और हमें न्याय मिलना चाहिए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो चुकादा दिया उनको बहुत तसल्ली हुई है कि जो फास्ट कोर्ट जो यहाँ चलाई है उससे हमको पूरा विश्वास है कि हमको न्याय मिलेगा।
The Apex Court may have disallowed the NHRC plea to transfer 9 major riot cases out of Gujarat, but has said these cases will be heard by fast-track courts. Public prosecutors in this matter will be appointed in consultation with the SIT and witnesses will be provided protection. Political parties have reacted on expected lines.
हम इस आदेश का स्वागत करते हैं क्योंकि हम भी जल्दी न्याय मिलने की आस लगाकर बैठे हैं।
This judgment of the Supreme Court has definitely come as a relief for Narendra Modi. But troubles for Modi and his government are far from over because 2 days back, this court ordered a probe into the role of Narendra Modi and government officials during the 2002 riots. With Meghdoot Charan in Ahmedabad, in New Delhi, Ashok Bagria.